When you're holding your bud, put your bud in the right place. You have your bud in banda's grip, right? You take a leg, you put the leg, you hold it in the knee. And then you're taking this band. So one of the ways to make it easy, you put the band in your hand so while you're holding the knee. So one side of your finger holding the knee, one side holding the band. You put it, this one is a small band, so you're going in the first one. So make sure you're in the middle.
Yeah.
You secure the knee again so the board can kick. You put it in on the small side, then you turn it. So if the board kick, you don't go in and squeeze where you're squeezing, and then you squeeze. When you squeeze the first time, you see it close? You could go again, and squeeze like this, and squeeze like that, and then you make sure. So after you squeeze it so, you could always check again to make sure you can go over the knee or come over the foot. Then put the board back like that to take the measurements. You ready? Now you go try it. Alright? So put your board, hold your board by the knee, look your band, take your band, hold the knee properly like this in the joint. You get it? Yeah?
Yeah.
And then put your band there, secure it a little. Then take the far side, take the big thing. You shove your band quite inside, now you can't get it. You see? Don't panic, you'll get it, man. So you see where you have to hold it good? Alright, and then make sure the knee is in the right place. And you turn it and squeeze. You squeeze that. So come out again.
Okay, I didn't squeeze hard enough yet.
Yeah, don't worry. You can make turn the band and you go straight, you go suckle it out.
I like that now?
Yeah.
Okay.
See? And then check it. I'll go straighten it for you just now a little more. Check it to make sure you could go for, can go over the foot, can go over the knee. Put your board back in the right way. Yeah? You put on a band. You remember how to do it. Good job. Good job. All green. So the next thing you do now, when you're measuring the wings, you come in, hold the board, same band as grip. You put in it like that, where you could see the back towards you. And you put in the ruler below the wings, so. Let the top of the wings touch the top here. See? And you have one finger there, but you're pushing it down on the wing cut and you measure it, you see mine this. So if you can't see the line for yourself, you could put your finger by the line and come out. And see 55, 67, so like 57. Right? And go right down, try it with yours. With the back like this. Yours won't change in feathers, yeah? That's good. Put the ruler below and try to get the wing measurements. Don't put your finger on the wings.
Down here?
Yeah, well, go below. Your wings mightn't be good actually. To the wings itself. Let me show you again. Now look at how I'm doing it. Take the ruler, that is the board. Take that finger off of the board. Right? Put it below the wings. After you put it below the wings and the one wings there on the ruler, you could put a finger there to keep the wings on the ruler. Right?
Yeah.
You see?
Yes, Dada.
So you try that. That board bigger than mine, but you're not below the wings. You're still not below the wings. Now you're below the wings. Now you put it up. Don't squeeze it down too much, man. Number I get it.
8.
Because it's 58.
58, yeah.
You see it? Yeah, not the best technique, but you go do better. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. The next thing you measure now, to measure the tail. Now yours don't have no tail. So you can't measure yours tail because you drop your tail. But for mine now, watch that. You could put the tail. You have this thing called the undertail coverts. Them like a feather. Watch them feather below the tail. You put in the ruler right between the feather below the tail and the tail. And then you measure in where you get to. And that one is 31.
31.
And then you could go through the middle of the tail and do the same thing. And you should get the same measure. But sometimes you don't always. You see one is 31, one show 30. Right. And when you measure in the beak, yeah.
One single feather for the tail.
One what?
One single feather.
You can't measure that tail with one feather.
No, it's just swing it.
So with the beak now, you put in it right where the beak start. Right? And you squeeze until you reach where the tip. And that one is 14. You go remember that? How to do it? And for the foot, you could bend the foot in the joint to the joint. So from this joint here to that joint there. Right there. Boom. Proper thing. 19 and 14. See where I get in yours. You don't remember my measurement, you have to get your own measurement. So your board do cooperating. Yeah. Try it, let me see. Here is a test. What you get? What you get?
Double turning here.
You have to watch the number up here. Turning. You feel you have it the right place already?
I have the right place now.
Okay, one number, okay. You see the 0 at the line? That's the number. So 1 is 10, so you get
1 is 10, so I get. So I have count the number with 0 there. Okay. So that means that is something and a half. Where is that? That
the right in the middle are 2 number. What you
is
get?
3 and a half.
So then what you get? If 1 is 10 and it's 3 and 1. So what is the measure?
13 and a half.
Perfect. Mine is
So I have
14.
to think the foot.
Oh yeah, I forget. Mine is 14 and yours is 13 and a half. So you're doing the foot. You can put it back between those 2 fingers here. You kind of bend the bottom so you see where the joint is. So you're measuring from this joint to that joint over there. Right?
Yeah.
And you put it like this. You see mine go back to 19 again. See what you could do with yours. Your board cooperative by your board. Make sure your board in the right place, Don't squeeze the head,
No, I'll let me bite me for you too.
No, that one doesn't bite. But you're doing good. You're doing good still. You don't have to take too long to stress the board, but you see your body mouth closed, you just relaxing. So you're not stressing your board, so you're safe. Over me back. I have to bend down to short people height. To watching all your hand.
Is it there?
Not that too big there. You have to, so if you watch that, you have to measure from this joint right here.
Oh, from where you bending there?
Yeah, we bending to the end.
Oh, hold it down here for me.
So if I do the hole in it well, come on,
A little more tighter, a little more slack.
a little more tighter. Or if I get a minus in 1, yeah, that better there. How you get now?
I get 20 and a quarter.
Okay, like good measure, man. Like good measure. 19, 14, here's is 13 and a half, and 20. All you make out of here. So the last thing you have to check, well, you could do it first and last, to look for fat and thing. You turn the board in your hand like that, where your wings there, and then you blow. And that one is a baby. So when you see here kind of yellow, you like maybe you want to poop. Turn your so and blow it, let me see. You have to blow real hard. You don't need just, if you relax, you go turn in your hand naturally. But yeah, alright, you go there. You don't have to hold the foot. Just clock the neck normal. Open out your hand like this. And blow in the belly. Don't worry about the foot, just blow in the belly. Take out this thumb there. Blow the belly hard. All the blow you could blow. Yeah man, blow like you're blowing down the house like a big bad wolf. So watch that. If you blow from down here, go up. It go easier to open at the top. Go. Alright. Alright. And then let me see. We have everything we need. Then you could put it like that and let it go. Ah, you poop on my bag.
On your back?
Yeah. Remember, put it in your hand. You're holding it the right way. You're holding it the right way already. Put it in your hand and let it go. There you go. Okay, go straight outside.